Apocalypse Manufacturing builds world's first new body Land Rover Defender 6x6. This is the first and only available, for purchase, new body-style Land Rover Defender Carpathian 6x6. This masterfully created six-wheel drive Apocalypse World Ender combines V8 power. Fully loaded World Ender features patented tandem middle axle delivering full power to all wheels, zero harmonics and feedback noise, supercharged power plant 5-liter V8 to 518 horsepower, independent pneumatic suspension in front and back, air ride, custom fenders, skid plate and 4-feet pickup bed with roll cage, 38-inch tires, quiet, center tread riding everyday driver of a tire, 20-inch military-style rims, custom lift, control arms, subframe, spindles, leather interior on seats and doors, front, cow killer, push bar, armor side steps, unmatched off-road capability, with a 6x6 drivetrain, reinforced subframe and custom fenders that widen the vehicle by 2 feet. The World Ender is designed to tackle the harshest terrains and navigate through the most challenging environments. Enhanced suspension. This iconic vehicle features an advanced suspension system that maintains the functionality of its air ride height management. The World Ender can raise and lower by 8 inches with the touch of a button. Luxurious interior. Despite its rugged exterior, the World Ender offers a sophisticated and comfortable interior, featuring premium materials, cutting-edge entertainment systems, and customizable options to suit individual tastes. Pricing starts at $374,999. All Apocalypse model vehicles are sold through its exclusive retailer, SoFloCustoms.com.